going on, hustlers? Another day, another dollar. It's Friday morning, and as I'm making this trek into my job, I'm feeling a little exhausted today. But that's because I made the decision yesterday to drive 4.5 hours from Syracuse to Manchester, Connecticut, socialize for probably another 4 hours, and then make a 4.5 hour journey back. Why did I do that? Because there was a reseller meetup going on. There was a dinner with Steve Rakin from RakinProfit.com. And it was an opportunity that I decided to take to get out there and mingle with some other resellers. And very, very happy that I did. You know, in this business, you can try to do everything yourself. You can try to do everything alone. And you may have some successes, but ultimately you are not going to do as well as you could by having that interaction with other resellers and being able to pick people's brains or help other people get over a hurdle because you've been there before. So getting out and getting to these meetups is something that you have to do. You have to socialize with other resellers. Yes, you can do it on places like Facebook. You can watch YouTube videos, but you also need that interaction. So Steve puts on this Connecticut Thrifting Meetup group, and they get together periodically and they go like sourcing together. And I've told Steve for a while now, probably about a year, I'm gonna make it to one. I'm gonna make it to one. So after spending some time with him, about a week and a half ago down in Austin, he's like, man, you gotta come out, you gotta come out. So he had this opportunity. He had Caleb Roth. If you're not familiar with him, he's the founder of SCOUTIQ. There's a link to SCOUTIQ in the description. If you don't mind using it, if you want to explore SCOUTIQ, yes, we get paid a small little portion of that as an affiliate fee for referring you, but that's what helps keeping us make these videos. That's kind of our way of monetizing things. But Caleb was there, and you know, if you're into book selling, if you're doing stuff like that, he has eFlip, which is another software that just shows you the process of flipping books back and forth. And very, very, very smart person. And I want to kind of pick his brain a little bit about the technology behind SCOUTIQ, and I got that opportunity to have a chat with him, and very informative. Met several new people who you know, are either just starting out or dabbling in different areas where we could provide value and show what we've done, whether it be liquidation or, you know, trying to get into the retail arbitrage market. I had one guy that I was speaking with who been doing like thrifting and wanted to jump right into wholesale, and I'm like, you're going to struggle. I said a lot of the wholesalers are not going to talk to you unless you have certain things lined up and you've been in business for a while. I said they're going to be able to tell right away in some conversations that you're new to it, and they've been burned in the past by new people. Yes, there are wholesalers out there that will work with new people, but you're not going to get the best pricing. So it was, you know, being able to have those conversations with people and talk to them about what's going on. And, you know, Steve and I snuck out for a little bit and filmed a video for this channel and filmed a video for his channel. So watch for those coming out probably sometime next week after we get the chance to edit them and get them posted. But, you know, overall it was just a great event. It was no sourcing. It was just everybody come out and have dinner, you know. And, you know, I'll throw some video clips in here so you can kind of see the crowd. There was I think at one point Steve counted there was like 31, 32 people that had shown up, and there was more that showed up afterwards. You know, some people could only stay half hour or so, and then they had to go to other events or other obligations that they had. But that's fine. You know, it's that value, whatever you take from it. know, and Steve's group is free. So if you're in the New England area, you know, a lot of the states are all close up there. Hop down and get on that Connecticut meetup, you know. But so that's all I really have for you. It was a very late night. I left there, I don't know, probably around 10 o'clock last night. Started making my way back, hit some heavy fog a few hours into my trip. I decided to pull over, I don't know, probably about 1 in the morning, and grab a couple hours shut-eye, hoping that the fog would lift. Got back up around 4:30 and made the final trek back into Syracuse. Took care of some emails and some business this morning. Looked for a few online arbitrage items that I could source, and then you know, head over to the JOB. But so hustlers, let me know how I can help you. Throw in the comments below where you're in need of help, and you know, I'll try to get you there. But the biggest thing I can tell you is you got to get out there and you got to go do it.